Hey guys, my name is Shia from Chili Sauce, and today I'll be telling you about why the Zoom H1N is the only microphone you will ever need. It literally does everything to an amazing quality. In this video, I'll be unboxing it, setting it up, and showing you my recommended settings. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe as I upload daily videos like this, making sure you know all about the latest tech and gaming. Hitting that thumbs up button costs you nothing and it really helps me out a lot, as well as leaving a comment down below. But now, roll the intro. Hey guys, it's Shia from Chili Sauce. Today we're back with another unboxing. I've been listening to everybody's feedback over the past couple of videos, and a lot of people have been saying that the audio quality isn't so great. And as most of you know, I'm shooting my videos from the Panasonic Lumix GX85. And unfortunately, this camera doesn't have a microphone input, so that I won't be able to connect like a Rode video mic into it. So I've had to get a external recorder and microphone. Now, obviously, being a brand new YouTube channel, I don't have the biggest budget in the world, and I want to keep my things sort of cheap and cheerful. And the reason why I bought the Zoom H1N is because I believe it's the most versatile, do everything in one mic out there. So I could record audio from it. It's got two mics here. The recording is done inside. It supports a micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes, which is plenty. I could sort of in the future, if I get other mics or lavalier mics, I could input those in and record it using this. I could connect it to my computer, and that could be then used as a desktop mic. So it's just so versatile, which is one of the main reasons I got it. So now let's just sort of get into it. So Zoom H1 handy recorder, professional stereo recording for film, broadcast music, and more. Now I bought this mic for £75 on Amazon. It's normally £130 and it was on sale. So here we've got the line in. So if I do get another microphone or a lavalier mic or etc., I could just plug that in. We've got the micro SD. I'm guessing we've got some settings and the power cable here. So the world needs creators, people willing to contribute something original, aspiring, and powerful. I like that. So let's look. So it's got an XY mic design. So I don't know if you could actually rotate the mics. That would be amazing if you can, but I don't think so. This is the new version, so I think they made this version from 2018 onwards, and you've got a brand new sort of a cage around the mics. Before you had a circle, but now you've got these sort of loops around the mic. So you've got records up to 24-bit, 96 kilohertz wave format. It's got a screen, one touch button, limiter. There we go. State toner for DSLR. Amazing. Now, this is the main reason I bought it. USB microphone function for PC. So I could, record my videos using this. And if I need to record a voiceover, I could also use this as well. So it's sort of an all-in-one. I don't want to buy 10 different microphones because I'm not there yet. If I'm making a video, 100, 200, even less than that is watching it, I don't want to spend all my sort of money on it. So it includes the recorder. Oh, it includes batteries as well. That's nice to see. You don't see that these days. And a quick guide. So you've got all of these different types of settings. Then what else have we got here? Oh, so it comes with a Steinberg Cape Case LE and a Wavelab LE free bundled software. Not sure if the camera's picking that up or not. So let's open up. Struggling here. What's going on? Damn. That was one of the hardest things to open ever. So let's pull it out. How does this work? Right. So we've got some instructions, what's included. And then we've got instructions. So we've got some information. We've got the batteries. So it's AAA batteries. Comes in this sort of wrap. Let's get this bad boy out. That's the microphone. So audio, low cut, limiter, auto level, records, stop play. You've got a grain control straight from here. Now I should say I have no idea about mics, videos, and anything like that. This is sort of my first ever purchase in that field. Volume, line out, so we could sort of listen into it. And then we've got the line in, micro SD slot here, some buttons. We've got a quarter mount. Then we've got this designed by Zoom in Japan, assembled in China. Amazing. Let's see what else we've got in the box. That's it. So let's get this bad boy powered up. So let's open up the batteries. So that is in. Where's the on button? There we go. Maybe not. It's hold it. There we go. Okay. So you've got to hold that language. I'm guessing this is the select button, the year. What do I got? 2020. Today's November. Gosh, I've forgotten the months. And it is 11. And the time right now is 7:30. So, oops. Oh, let's go. 7:30. Record means it's okay. Amazing. No SD card. So let me just grab an SD card to put in there. Right, we're back with an SD card. So let's grab that. Managed to have one lying about. No, wrong way around. It's always the case, you know. It's always the case. So I've got an SD card in here. It's doing something. Made my table so dirty. Right, so I think it's saying that it can record 50 hours and 9 minutes and 38 seconds. Now, another thing that I purchased for this was a dead cat and a phone. So we've got this here. That's our dead cat. This is sort of when I'm ever using this mic outside. And I also bought a foam cap. So this is sort of indoors, just to get rid of all the plosives. I don't know how you say that word. If you know how to say that word, please comment below. It's just a big sort of squidgy foam. So let me just grab the Zoom H1N. Let's stick this in here. There you go. It's got an afro. Amazing. And let's put this in here. This one's a bit tighter to fit in. And there you go. It's a uptown female. So that's a dead cat there. So in this segment, I just wanted to show you what each single function of the Zoom H1N does, as well as go through the settings and what my best recommended settings are. So you've got the grain controller up here. You've got the name of the last file you saved. Each time you save a new recording, the number will go up by 1. You've got the source of storage, how long you've got left, you've got your battery life, you have your audio levels. This tells you your sample rate, bit depth, and recording format. If you're recording in WAV or MP3, I personally like to use WAV. You could use MP3 if you want to save some card space, but however, you're going to lose a lot of quality as a result. So next we have the low cut. This removes a certain frequency, normally ranging from 80 Hertz to 160 Hertz. This is really good to remove wind noise. The next button in line, the limiter, It enables or disables the limiter. The limiter prevents audio from clipping. And finally, we have the auto level. This will enable or disable the auto level, replacing your grain control. Then you've got a big red record button. Then you've got your control buttons and a speaker at the bottom. Then on the side, you've got your line in, micro SD. Then you've got the trash hold, which disables all buttons. And then you need to hold the button down to turn it on. And then you've got your power in, and the bottom you've got nothing. And on the other side, you've got your line out for monitoring. And then you've got your volume rocker. And then at the back, you've got your 1/4 inch mount. Then at the very top, you've got your two microphones, which are XY mounted. So after watching tons of videos online, I decided what the best settings are for the Zoom H1N based on all the functionality and research that I've done. So for the audio, I find the best one is 48K with 24-bit. I do understand that you do lose some storage in that, but I think the quality is well worth it. Now, because I normally record stuff in my bedroom, I've got my computer right next to the mic, and my computer fans are always running. So I set the low cut to 120 hertz. Now you can have the low cut off and it's easily fixable post. However, I like to set it at 120 hertz just to make life easier. Now I also have the limiter on. This prevents clipping and it's been working fantastic. It keeps everything at the right level. And then finally I have the auto level off simply because I rather use the grain controller manually just to get that precise audio level that I am seeking. And that is it for this video. If you did enjoy this video, then please subscribe, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.